So here's the million-dollar question. How do you get all of your IFU content and languages into a user-friendly format that is logically laid out, easy to read, and meets your regulatory requirements? And get it to fit inside your package while still complementing your product. We like to call this IFU engineering. Here's how we do this. Step 1. Determine the finished IFU size based on your package dimensions. This important finished size is the final folded size or booklet size of your instructions. Step 2. Collect all content, graphics, charts, and photos and begin to lay out the English only so that our team can then plan for additional language counts. This will also determine the flat size so we can provide budgetary pricing now that we have both flat and finished sizes accounted for. Please note that we can also provide blank testing and validation prototype samples for you if packaging validations are needed or if your team needs to perform a fit and function test. Step 3. Once the final English content has been proofed and approved, we can now insert additional languages provided by your team, or we can partner with a certified language translator who not only certifies the language translations, but will also certify the final IFU layout based on our pre-approved engineering layout. Step 4. Once the language translations and final layout have been approved, our team will then produce a final PDF or final hard proof for your team's signature approval to print. Of course, this is an oversimplification of the entire process, but nevertheless is a good description of all important steps in order to execute a product instruction that has been engineered and validated per your requirements. IFU engineering is a very important step and needed for medical startups as their product gets closer to launch and their documentation and instructions are written and better defined. However, this engineering process is also needed for mid-size and larger manufacturers when introducing a new product with new packaging development, or when expanding into additional language markets. In the next episode, we will discuss patient implant cards and how they are important based on the recent EU MDR requirements. Thanks for watching.